In this video, I will show you how to display all users and groups on an Ubuntu system using commands in the terminal. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time. To see all the users on your system, type the command cat/etc/passwd and press Enter. This file contains information about all users. Each line represents one user. The first part before the colon is the username. You will see many system users as well as regular users here. If you want to see only the usernames, you can use the command cutd f1/etc/passwd. This will show a simple list of usernames without extra details. Next, to display all groups on your system, use the command cat/etc/group. This file lists all the groups available. Like before, each line shows one group. The group name is the first part before the colon. If you want a cleaner list with only the group names, use cutd f1/etc/group. These commands give you a quick way to see all users and groups on your Ubuntu system. That is how you display all users and groups with simple commands in Ubuntu. Thanks for watching.